fix crying filter on Snapchat not able to record. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So I know that many of you have this problem, like if you go to your Snapchat and to the filter and if you try to long press on the record button, it just takes a photo but it cannot record. So let's try to fix this problem. Like I said, if you try to go to your crying filter, so I will go ahead and do that and show it to you guys. So if you click here to filters, or if you go to the search icon from the left top corner and search for crying, you will get this. And if you try to click on the record button, it only takes a photo. So let's try to fix this problem. First of all, you will have to search for your Play Store or App Store if you have an iPhone, and then search for Snapchat and see if it has some updates. If it doesn't have, now let's go to the second method. So the second one, it's going to your settings and then scroll down until you find apps. And here you can either scroll down and search for Snapchat, or you can just search it from the option to the right top corner and search for Snapchat. Now you have to go to storage, and here you have to clear the data and the cache. But you will have to know that if you clear the data, you will be logged out from your account. So keep in mind that. Also, another solution, if it's still not working, would be to uninstall your app and then reinstall it again. And after that, you can report this problem to Snapchat. But I think they are already aware of this problem, and I think they are already trying to fix this. So you can go back here to your profile, click on settings from the right top corner, and then from here you will have to scroll down and go to support to I need help. Or you can just go to I spotted a bug, or I have a suggestion. You can go to I spotted a bug. And here you can go to camera. And also you can add some screenshots of the problem and you can tell them here what happened. You can say that I cannot record a video with the crying filter on Snapchat, and ask them to solve this problem for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, guys, and also you can comment down below if you have some questions. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.